Hey, what's going on, everybody? We got the Yamaha Vstar 650 hanging out here, looking pretty nice. I'm just gonna do a quick video on cleaning the air filter, so removing the cover and getting to the air filter. This is the custom version, so we have like a little sleeker fender, and some just little differences. And then of course the beautiful blue. It's a 2009 650cc air-cooled engine. So let's get this air filter cover off here. You're gonna need a 3mm Allen wrench to remove 1, 2, 3 bolts, and let's do that right now. Put those somewhere safe in your pocket without a hole in it, hopefully. All right, and then you just have this cover that's gonna pop right off. And then you have your air filter. So you have this little Phillips head tab right here, but this will just pop right down. And that's how you get to it. So in the owner's manual, it just says spray from inside, compressed air. This is paper, so you don't want to wet this. It doesn't say to oil it, so you really don't need to. This looks super duper clean though. So I'm really, I'll blow it out a little bit and then put it right back. I'm gonna use this time while it's off to just clean some of this rust out of these little spots. So this is just like a heavy duty plastic, ABS plastic. So I'll just use something soft to kind of get that rust out of there. Okay, you're gonna match up this little tab right here with that, and then we have this little fork piece that goes right there. That's it. So yeah, obviously when you're ready to put this back on, the two up top, like that, twist them down and you're good to go. Super easy.